I close it and I don't even know. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is another video on What Do I Really Think series. And this is where I talk about an item that I have and tell you if I recommend it or not, or what I really think of it after using it for a while. And I try to do it within 5 minutes or less. Okay, so today's video is going to be Chanel Reissue, and this is a size 226. I'll tell you what, I like this bag. I'm not in love with this bag. Ooh. And it's because of this clasp. The clasp is an irritant. I don't know why I have this problem, because my sister has exactly the same bag in different color, and hers is more used. And she has no problem with a clasp, but for me, oh, now I don't have any problem. Sometimes I have to kind of search out to clasp, or maybe it's just that I have to pull it a little bit further down to clasp it. So that took me a little while to get used to. It does get pointy here. I don't mind that. I actually love how the chain sits on my shoulder and it's never fallen off of me. I don't have that problem with this bag. Maybe it's because it's a chain. I love the chain, and I like the fact that it can go crossbody, but because it's size 226, I feel like I want the size 225. I feel like it sort of hangs out there and it's a little bit too big for a crossbody, maybe. I don't know, what do you guys think? What I don't like is I wish that this flap, and I have a felt over here just to protect it from the chain, but I wish that this flap, the second flap, was a little longer, because this little thing right here, sometimes I'm worried. I have seen some bags where this little snap has like pushed this down as somebody is closing, you know, when somebody closes a bag. So I'm always like a little bit cautious. I don't want to ruin this portion of it. Other than that, I never snap it. I never snap it closed. I just make sure that it clears this portion when I close it. And I don't even know. God. Oh my God. All right, so there we go. See, now I'm having problems again. Okay. I have used this more these days than I have the Chanel, regular Chanel bags, because of the fact that it doesn't have a logo that's very distinctive. And I feel like it's much more understated. And with what's going on in the cities nowadays, I just don't want to advertise that this is a Chanel bag. It still is looking fabulous. It looks exactly like the day that I got it, and I got it pre-loved. I absolutely love this front pocket for my phone. I like the back pocket just to be able to put, you know, little receipts or things like that. That said, I kind of want the size 225. I feel like I might use that more, but this is a really comfortable size because it fits more than my medium large. It fits like my everyday essential plus a little more, so very comfortably. So I think it's a really good size. I have had the 227. I didn't have it for a very long time because I bought it and then I didn't like the wear of it, and I also didn't like the size of it for my frame. But I think for my frame of being 5'2", this is a good medium-sized bag for me, but I do want I'm looking at size 225. I think that would be great. So when I want to feel good and wear something a little fancy with my, you know, very casual outfits, I do wear this. Anyway, that's it. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time I upload more videos. Okay, bye.